Okay, here's Chris's. She's got poutine and a Juicy Lucy.
Look at all the cheese. It's looking very good.
Good?
Nice gravy. Very nice.
I didn't go poutine. I went Juicy Lucy and rings.
So far, so good.
Steals my ketchup.
So far, so good.
All right, let's hang on. Did you say onions? Okay, I made a mistake with onions. But you did get mushrooms.
Where are they?
Or do you have mine? Did they mix the burger up with the meal? Yep.
Oh,
Okay, so this is Chris's burger.
yeah, mine's bigger.
Actually, she's throwing all my onions off now. So they mixed the burger with the meal.
Where's
That's
your lettuce?
okay.
Now all your stuff's on the top of my fries.
It's all right.
Relish. No, it's not.
Well, give me those fries. So Chris got the fried egg and the mushroom.
Okay.
See if it's a sloppy or Juicy Lucy.
It's gonna be really juicy.
Go for it.
Oh.
Oh my goodness, that cheese. Got a line of cheese. Good? Okay. I guess that's a thumbs up for Burger Factory so far.
Fine. Wow. I can really taste the egg
And mushroom?
and the mushroom. And the meat itself is really tasty.
Okay.
Very
Cool.
good. For me, it's a 5.
Alright.
Loving it.
Out of 10? Or 5 out of 5? Cheesy.
Okay. Bob's gonna have a bite of his burger, his Juicy Lucy.
Mine's messy already. You could see this cheese.
Okay. I see the cheese dripping off your chin. That's very tasty. Huh? You think so too? It's a good burger, see? Good choice. Okay, we'll catch you back when we're finished and give you a final review. Are you keeping it like this?
Yeah, we just had the Burger Factory on Dixie Rd, Mississauga. Awesome. Everything was great, and the owner was great, and so I highly recommend it. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. See you soon.